Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to discuss the basic difference between LinkedIn groups and LinkedIn pages. Now, in the previous video, we have already talked about the basic difference between LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn page. But here you need to understand the basic difference between groups and pages as well, so that you can potentially use the power of groups and pages, right? And the approach you can take while using group or page don't go wrong, right? Now let's start with the first slide, and that is everyone can do posting on the groups, LinkedIn groups, and in page only admin can do posting. So basically, if you are running a group or if you are a member of any LinkedIn group, you know that everyone can posting. You just need to have the permissions from the group admin and you will be good to go for posting, right? Now there's one extra option where the group admin can stop the members from direct posting by adding a review button there. Basically, not review button, review option there. So when the LinkedIn group members post anything in the group, first the LinkedIn admins, group admins have to review that post, and if everything is okay, then they will accept that post, right? So there is a review option. Otherwise everyone can do posting without any restrictions. But on the other hand, the members or the followers, because in LinkedIn page we don't have any members, we have only followers, right? So on the other hand, in pages the followers don't have any option to post on that particular page. Only the page admins can do posting or whatever they want to post on that page, right? So this is the basic difference between these two things, these two properties. Now the second thing is visibility and interaction only after admin approval. So whenever you are trying to join any group, you can interact in that group or you can see the content in that particular group by after getting the approval or after getting the joining approval, basically joining request basically. And if the admin, group admin, denies your joining request, you will be not able to interact with the members or engage with the content in the group, right? But here on the other hand, in the page, anyone can join, basically anyone can follow the page and anyone can consume, anyone can engage with the content, right? Now the third difference is communication and discussion. So basically LinkedIn groups are for the like-minded people. Let's say you have created a group for digital marketers, right? So people who work in digital marketing or who are interested in digital marketing topic will join the group and they will communicate with the other digital marketers in the group and they will do the discussion related to that particular topic only, right? But on the other hand, on the page, discussion is not possible or the communication is not possible. Page is totally for if the company or the page owner, page admin wants to communicate with their followers, right? So this is basically a one-way communication tool and this is a two-way communication tool, right? So in page the admin can share or engage with the followers, but the followers will not be able to convey their message or communicate or do any kind of discussion there, right? They can do just commenting on the post, not more than that. Now after this we do have one more difference, and that is the SEO feature. So basically LinkedIn pages helps in SEO. LinkedIn pages also appears in search results, but LinkedIn groups doesn't appear in search results and even doesn't help in SEO, right? So this is also a difference, small difference, but still this is also a difference. Now after this, LinkedIn groups are totally sustainable, self-sustainable, because on the initial basis, on the initial phase of your group, you need to work hard, you need to create content, you need to encourage the group members to communicate, to engage with the discussion, right? But after one point of time, after reaching a certain level, the LinkedIn group becomes a self-sustainable, where all the members of the group are discussing, having discussion with each other, they are communicating with each other, interacting, and even creating real, valuable and insightful content on a regular basis, right? So that's why LinkedIn group is self sustainable. But on the other hand, LinkedIn pages are totally depends on you, or you can say depends on the admin, because admins have the only access to publish any content, to start any kind of interaction or activity, right? So if you want to run your LinkedIn page, you need to work till the lifetime of that particular page, right? Now after this we have next differentiation, and that is the usage of LinkedIn group and page. So basically the basic or the main use of LinkedIn group is to help the community or to grow the business uh, mutually, right? If I'm able to grow your business, you'll be able to grow your business as well by communicating with each other on LinkedIn groups. But on the other hand, LinkedIn page is totally for branding purposes or visibility purposes, and this is basically helpful for the companies or the brands or the organization who have created the LinkedIn page, right? The followers will not be able to get any help or get any benefit from that page, right? Now the next difference is content quality less controllable. So obviously everyone is creating content and publishing content, so after doing the filtration or after applying the approval process, you can control the quality, but it is not 100% possible because you are not creating the content, right? And obviously if you are not creating the content, then obviously the quality will be a bit low compared to the page where you have all access to the quality management or everything you are creating, so you can control the quality of the content, you can control everything there on the LinkedIn page. Right now the last differentiation is organic reach and management, not management, sorry for that, engagement. So basically if we compare group and page, so compared to page, LinkedIn groups get more organic reach and engagement because everyone is creating content there and everyone is engaging with the content and interacting with the content. But on the other hand, only the admins are creating content, and so due to that the number of content will also be less and the engagement, or you can say the organic reach, also will be less compared to the group, right? So this is what the basic difference of LinkedIn group and the pages. I hope this video was helpful for you and insightful for you. If you do so, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.